friends, how are you? Today I will talk about spinach growing from seeds to harvesting. Spinach is a delicious, nutritious, cool winter crop. It is very easy to grow also. So make space for it in your winter garden. Do you know it's actually one of the most chemically laden crops today? Why not we grow our own crops at home and serve clean, fresh and nutritious spinach to our family? To grow spinach, we need some spinach seeds. You can easily get spinach seeds in your local plant nursery or online. But my mom got these seeds from planting last year. The next is soil. The soil must be nitrogen rich, so my mom added garden soil plus kitchen compost. You have to soak the seeds 8 hours before germinating it. Sprinkle the seeds on the soil, then cover it with more soil, then add some water. Spinach likes water, so try to give regular water to keep the soil moist and cool. The germinating time of a spinach is normally 4 to 7 days. It depends on the temperature of weather. After 7 days, the seeds have started germinating. Spinach doesn't need fertilizer. Only if you see that the leaves start to become light green, feel free to give them a high nitrogen fertilizer boost like tea leaf compost or dry leaf compost. But avoid any fertilizer if they have great green color, because the flavor will be affected by over fertilization. Check for pests. If we grow only organic garden, pest attack chances are very low. You can spray bioenzyme frequently. You should harvest the spinach after 30 to 45 days. Some people harvest the spinach all at once, but we slowly harvest the leaves by taking outer ones and allowing the inner ones time to mature. Do you know this leafy green superfood is full of vitamin A, B, C and K, as well as potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium and other nutrients. Spinach leaves have a lot of benefits. Spinach leaves are good for preventing cancer, reducing blood sugar and help us to weight loss, good for bone health and heart health, good for our eyes, reduce hypertension, boosts immunity, prevents anemia and has more benefits. Along with your daily recipe, you can also eat spinach with egg fry, spinach sauté and spinach smoothie. so you can grow it easily at your home and enjoy it. Thank you for watching